78% of hiring managers are now screening for AI literacy. But here is the problem. 90% of candidates are listing AI skills completely wrong. They are getting passed over for jobs they are actually qualified for. And today, I am going to show you exactly how to fix this. Welcome back to KB Bluetree, where we turn career confusion into clarity. I am here because I have reviewed thousands of resumes and coached hundreds of professionals through career transitions in this AI revolution. And what I have noticed is shocking. Brilliant people with real AI experience are losing opportunities to candidates who simply know how to present their skills better. Today, you are going to learn the exact framework for showcasing AI skills that actually gets you interviews. We are going to break down why most people are doing this wrong, what recruiters are really looking for, and the step-by-step system to make your AI experience stand out. Whether you are just starting with AI tools or you have been using them for months, this video will change how you position yourself in the job market. Problem. Let me paint you a picture that probably feels familiar. You've been using ChatGPT to streamline your work. You've automated parts of your workflow. Maybe you have even built some custom prompts that save your team hours every week. But when it comes to putting this on your resume, you freeze. You type something generic, like proficient in AI tools or experienced with ChatGPT, and it feels hollow. It does not capture what you actually do. You look at job descriptions asking for AI literacy and comfort with emerging technologies, but you have no idea how to prove you have those things. Here's what makes this even more frustrating. You know you are ahead of most people when it comes to AI adoption. You have put in the hours learning these tools. You have gotten real results. But somehow, on paper, you sound exactly like everyone else who just dabbled with a chatbot once or twice. And the worst part is, watching people with less actual experience land interviews because they somehow cracked the code on how to talk about AI skills. It feels unfair because it is unfair, but only if you do not know the system. So, why is this happening? And why can you not translate your AI experience into resume gold? The root cause comes down to three fundamental misunderstandings. First, most people treat AI as a tool rather than a skill multiplier. They list ChatGPT the same way they would list Microsoft Excel. But recruiters are not impressed by the tool itself. They want to know what you accomplished because of it. It is like saying you can use a hammer instead of saying you built a house. Second, there is a language gap between what you do with AI and what hiring managers are actually screening for. You might think in terms of writing prompts or using AI for research, but they are thinking in terms of efficiency gains, scalability, and innovation. You are speaking different languages, and your resume is getting lost in translation. Third, and this is the big one, the resume world has not caught up with the AI world yet. There is no standard playbook. Business schools are not teaching this. Career coaches are scrambling to figure it out themselves. So everyone is making it up as they go along, and most people default to either overhyping generic tool names or underselling transformative work. The result is your actual AI competency stays invisible, while less qualified candidates who understand positioning are getting the callbacks. That changes right now. Solutions here is what actually works, and I am going to give you the exact framework that has helped my clients go from overlooked to overbooked with interview requests. This is not theory, but what is working right now in real hiring processes. Let me break it down. The AI resume framework has three core pillars: impact first, skill stacking, and future fluency. Let me explain each one. Impact first means leading with outcomes, not tools. Instead of used AI tools for content creation, you write reduced content production time by 40% using AI-assisted workflows. The AI tool is the how, not the what. Recruiters care about the 40%, not the chatbot. Skill stacking is about showing AI as an enhancement to your core expertise. You are not an AI user, but a marketing professional who leverages AI for data analysis, or a project manager who uses AI to optimize scheduling. This positions you as someone who amplifies their valuable skills with cutting-edge technology, which is infinitely more attractive than someone who just knows how to use a tool. Future fluency demonstrates you understand where AI is going, not just where it is. This means showing adaptability, continuous learning, and strategic thinking about technology. You prove you will not be obsolete in 6 months because you are someone who evolves with the landscape. These three pillars work together to create a narrative. You are not just dabbling with AI, you are strategically integrating it into your professional identity to deliver better results. That is the story that wins jobs. Now let me get tactical with exactly how to implement this framework on your resume. Tactic 1. Quantify everything with the AI multiplier. Take every place you have used AI and attach a number. Generated 25 qualified leads using AI-powered research and personalization. Analyzed 3 years of customer feedback in 2 hours using AI sentiment analysis tools. Created a custom GPT that answered 80% of common client questions, reducing response time from hours to minutes. Numbers make it real and they make it impressive. Tactic 2. Create an AI proficiencies or technical fluency section. Do not just list tool names, but pair them with applications. ChatGPT and Claude, advanced prompt engineering for content strategy, data analysis, and workflow automation. Midjourney, visual concept development, and rapid prototyping for marketing campaigns. Custom GPTs, built internal tools for team efficiency and client service. This shows depth, not just surface-level familiarity. Tactic 3. Reframe traditional accomplishments through an AI lens. Look at your existing resume bullets and ask, where did AI make you faster, smarter, or more effective? And then rewrite them. Managed 5 projects simultaneously becomes scaled project management capacity from 3 to 5 concurrent projects using AI-assisted planning and documentation tools. Same achievement, positioned as innovation. Tactic 4. Add a learning and adaptation line somewhere in your summary or skills section. Include language like continuously exploring emerging AI tools to enhance strategic decision-making and operational efficiency. This shows future fluency. That third pillar, it tells employers you are not going to need hand-holding as AI evolves. Make sure to like and subscribe to KB Bluetree for more insightful content that helps you navigate your career with clarity and confidence. Success story. Let me tell you about Claudia, a marketing coordinator who was stuck applying for senior roles and getting nowhere. Her resume mentioned she used AI tools in one generic bullet point. We rebuilt her resume using this exact framework. We quantified her AI impact. She had cut campaign planning time by 60% using ChatGPT for audience research and content briefs. We showed skill stacking. Her core expertise in brand strategy was now turbocharged by AI-driven competitive analysis. We demonstrated future fluency by highlighting how she had trained her team on AI integration best practices. Within 3 weeks of updating her resume, Claudia landed 4 interviews. Within 6 weeks, she accepted a senior marketing manager position with a 32% salary increase. The hiring manager specifically mentioned in her offer conversation that her forward-thinking approach to AI integration was a deciding factor. Same person, same skills, different positioning. That is the power of this framework. Call to action, let me recap what we covered today. Stop listing AI tools as generic skills and instead use the Impact First, Skill Stacking, and Future Fluency framework. Quantify your AI-driven results with specific numbers. Pair tool names with actual applications. Reframe your existing achievements to show how AI made you more effective, and always signal that you are someone who adapts and grows with emerging technology. Here is your immediate action step. Open your resume right now and find 3 bullet points where AI played a role in your success. Rewrite them using the tactics we covered today, leading with the impact and the number. That is it, 3 bullets, right now. And if you found this valuable, do yourself a favor. Like this video and subscribe to KB Bluetree so you do not miss the next one, where we are diving into how to talk about AI skills in interviews without sounding like you are overselling. You are not behind in the AI revolution, but just needed the right language to show how far ahead you actually are. Now you have it. Go update that resume and let us get you the career you deserve.